So as I explained in another video, I really enjoy combining tapping with other tools that people find beneficial for enhancing their life. And so one of the tools that a lot of people have found beneficial along with tapping is essential oils. So I'm here again with my good friend Jesse Reimers, and today we're going to talk about combining essential oils and tapping for getting a good night's sleep and for deep relaxation. So Jesse, why don't you tell them how you do that with oils?
I would love to share my extreme relaxation blend with you guys. It is extremely relaxing. So we're going to use 10 drops of Copaiba essential oil. This is incredible for your nervous system and just calming everything down. So 10 drops of Copaiba, 5 drops of Frankincense essential oil, which is extremely grounding and relaxing as well, and 5 drops of Vetiver essential oil, possibly the most relaxing essential oil. Probably not the best one to diffuse if you guys are trying to get things done today. This is for sleep and deep relaxation. So 5 drops of Vetiver, 3 drops of Patchouli, and 3 drops of Juniper Berry, which is the oil of the night and really fantastic if you have night terrors or nightmares. So great for kids and adults. And then 3 drops of Green Mandarin, which is a limited edition oil, or if you don't have that one, you can use Bergamot, which is fantastic. It's a citrus oil, but it's actually really helpful for calming and relaxing. And 1 drop of Cedarwood, which is a great oil for sleep as well. You can use a drop on your big toe or use that in this extreme relaxation blend. So just put all that in a 10 ml roller with some fractionated coconut oil and shake it up. And then you can apply to your feet and your hands and your chest. Breathe that in while you do this tapping round to help you sleep.
So little safety notice, please do not use this blend while operating a moving vehicle or heavy machinery. So that recipe will be in the information down below. And now we're going to do some tapping that you can use to go along with that blend. So taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to relax.
I choose to relax.
And I choose to love and accept myself.
And I choose to love and accept myself.
I choose to relax.
I choose to relax.
And I choose to love and honor myself.
And I choose to love and honor myself.
I choose to relax.
I choose to relax.
And if the time is right,
I'm
going to allow that relaxation to lead me into a good night's sleep. Because I'm choosing to relax. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else in my life. I'm choosing to relax.
I'm choosing to relax.
I'm choosing to relax.
I'm choosing to relax.
I'm letting go of stress.
I'm letting go of stress.
Letting go of anxiety.
Letting go of anxiety.
Letting go of anything.
Letting go of anything.
That gets in the way of my relaxation.
That gets in the way of my relaxation.
All those annoying thoughts.
All those annoying thoughts.
Including those thoughts about all those annoying people.
Including those thoughts about all those annoying people.
And anything else that gets in the way of my relaxation.
And anything else that gets in the way of my relaxation.
Just letting those go.
Just letting those go.
Allowing myself to be open to anything.
Allowing myself to be open to anything.
That contributes to my relaxation.
That contributes to my relaxation.
That contributes to my well-being.
That contributes to my well-being.
That contributes to a good night's sleep.
That contributes to a good night's sleep.
Because I deserve a good night's sleep.
Because I deserve a good night's sleep.
I deserve to feel really good.
I deserve to feel really good.
So I'm clearing out what gets in the way of that.
So I'm clearing out what gets in the way of that.
If there are things that I need to do.
There are things that I need to do.
Things I need to think about.
Things I need to think about.
I can let those go for another time.
I can let those go for another time.
I'll take care of them when the time is right.
I'll take care of them when the time is right.
But right now,
the
time is right for some relaxation.
Time is right for some relaxation.
The time might even be right.
Time might even be right.
For falling into a good night's sleep.
Falling into a good night's sleep.
And I'm clearing whatever gets in the way of that.
I'm clearing whatever gets in the way of that.
I'm giving myself permission to relax.
I'm giving myself permission to relax,
allowing myself to feel really good,
allowing myself to feel really good,
slipping into a deep state of relaxation
slipping into a deep state of relaxation
because it's so good for me.
because it's so good for me.
It's something I'm doing to treat myself with love
It's something I'm doing to treat myself with love
in body, mind, and spirit.
in body, mind, and spirit.
And take a deep breath. And hopefully you're already finding that the combination of tapping along with the benefits of the essential oils are already allowing you to relax, and lather, rinse, repeat as necessary, because you deserve that relaxation and you deserve a really good night's sleep.
Thanks, Brad.